How you doing, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2018 Lexus IS 300, and we're gonna do brake pads on it. Real quick job. All right, so this is a real easy job. I already took the wheel off. All I have to do, pull this little clip out right here, then this whole pin will slide out. Watch this little spring guy. Each brake pad will come out, and you'll slide new ones in.
Including immunizations, screenings, pregnancy and newborn care, and more. Using your healthcare coverage, that's the plan. Find more at getcoveredillinois.gov. Your health coverage starts here. The Rocket Mortgage Super Bowl Square sweepstakes is back. Every time the score changes, someone wins $50,000. Plus, two grand prize winners will win $500,000 they could use for their dream home. See rules and enter for free at RocketMortgageSquares.com. Rocket Mortgage, official mortgage sponsor of Super Bowl 55. No purchase necessary. Legal residents of the 50 U.S. and D.C. of age majority. And February 4th. Licensed in all 50 states and MLS number 3030. The NFL is not sponsored promotion in any way. As of today, over 2/3 of states have voted to legalize medical marijuana.
Can you believe that?
What? That the majority of the country has legalized medical marijuana?
No, but it works.
Seriously? I use it for pain for my work injury.
Yeah, but my issue's not pain. Sometimes I can't sleep worrying about things.
Find out. Go to veryheal.com and qualify for a consultation in 5 minutes. They've already helped over 150,000 patients. Why shouldn't you be next?
Veryheal.com, a website for medical marijuana cards?
The website for medical marijuana cards.
Always make sure you use the brake grease.
It's safe because the entire process takes place online. Using medical marijuana to ease my pain is the one thing that finally worked.
Visit veryheal.com to read thousands of favorable reviews. Then schedule your one-on-one consultation online through a licensed physician. We're ready when you are. Veryheal, VERIHEAL, veryheal.com.
Michelle here, and I'm starting 2021 with a new skincare routine. Now, I'm a big fan of Olay Regenerist in the red jar, but this year, I'm using Olay's newest moisturizer, Collagen Peptide 24 in the white jar. It's fragrance-free, super hydrating, and packed with collagen peptide. Even has a money-back guarantee. Visibly firm our skin in 2 weeks or your money back. Find Olay Collagen Peptide 24 at your favorite retailer or Olay.com, and this week get $4 off. Like that for your prepaid card. Must submit within 60 days of purchase. See Olay.com/guarantee.
Everyone loves shopping online. Well, I'm going to tell you what I tell my golf buddies when they buy clothes. Stop searching for coupon codes. Download Capital One Shopping to your computer. Capital One Shopping instantly searches for available coupon codes and automatically applies.
That's all there is to it.